Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I will be showing you how to make printable Christmas gift tags in Canva that you can sell on Etsy. Click on Create a Design. I'm going to choose Custom Size. With these printable gift tags, I'm going to put multiple on a page. So I'm going to set my document up to be 11 inches wide by 8.5 inches tall. And once you do that, hit Create New Design. Before we start designing, we're going to set up some guides. Head to File, View Settings, and Add Guides. Click on Custom. Once you click on Custom, you're going to input your measurements for your guides. This document's going to have 5 columns and 2 rows. I will put in a picture here of the numbers that I put in for my guides. And once you have those numbers in, hit Add Guides. Now after you have those guides set, you want to hit L on your keyboard to bring up a line. And all I did was copy and pasted the line several times to match the guides that I set up for the document. Once I had all my lines in place, all I did was selected all of them, chose a light gray color for them, and reduced their transparency. You want to make sure that you lock those because you don't want those lines moving around while you're trying to design each tag. The reason we are doing this is once we print our gift tags, these lines will now serve as the cutting lines for each individual tag. Press T on your keyboard to bring up a text box. Add your text and change your font. I usually try to leave picking the font for last because I find like that takes the most time. I didn't do it for this tag, this individual tag. I don't know why, but basically once I pick the fonts for this individual tag, I just basically repeat the same fonts throughout the rest of the tags that I design. If you're new to using Canva, I do have 2 videos on my channel that are made for beginners. You can watch those if you want to learn more about Canva or if you need a refresher. I will link those 2 videos down in the description box. I decided to add a circle at the top of the gift tag so that you can hole punch it and tie it to your gift. You can decide to leave the circle off if you're just going to attach it to the gift using tape. So now it's time to add the elements. In the left side toolbar, head to Elements. In the search bar, type Christmas. It'll bring up lots of graphics that are related to Christmas. Pick the ones you like and add them to your design. Since we're designing these printable gift tags in Canva, I am going to be using elements from Canva only. You can feel free to purchase graphics from another website to use in your design. I'll link a few places in the description box where you can purchase graphics. Once you have all of your tags done, what I'm doing here is I'm going to each individual tag and I am selecting all the elements and the text within that tag, selecting it and grouping it together. I can copy and paste each of those groups. So once each individual tag has been grouped, I grab the 5 groups, copy and paste onto the second half of my sheet. So that way I have 10 tags per 8.5 by 11 sheet. So once those have been copied and pasted, I did have to go through for the ones at the bottom half of the page. I had to ungroup some of the tags and kind of nudge or shift down some of the elements so that way once they're cut it'll look correct. And once I made whatever changes I needed to make to each individual tag, I highlighted all those elements in that tag and grouped them back together. So once you have all of your tags designed, you're going to head to Share and head to Download. And for the file type, we want to pick PDF Print. And you can pick the options you need and hit Download. And here you have your own printable Christmas gift tags that you made in Canva that you can sell on Etsy. If you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting the like button. Subscribe for more videos like this, and let me know in the comments what videos you'd like to see from me. And also, are you making these printable gift tags? Let me know. And as always, thanks for watching. Happy holidays!